The blue whale is the largest animal to ever exist and can grow up to 100 feet, 30 meters, and weigh as much as 200 tons. Blue whales are also the loudest animals on Earth, with a song that can reach 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine and can be heard hundreds of miles away. Blue whales were almost hunted to extinction by commercial whaling in the 1800s and early 1900s. They were killed for their blubber, which was used for oil before fossil fuels took over. Blue whales can eat an incredible 16 tons of krill a day. That's 12% of its own body weight, or about 21 adult cows for comparison. Gray whales migrate up to 12,130 miles, 20,000 kilometers, every year on their round trip between the Arctic and Mexico. Sperm whales are the deepest diving mammals, descending to depths of over 3,280 feet, 1,000 meters, in their hunt for giant squid. Sperm whales also sleep by standing, vertically in the water, enjoying short naps of 10-15 minutes. An eerie sight for anyone to come across. Bowhead whales can live for up to 200 years. This is thought to be down to their environment, the ice-cold waters of the Arctic. Sailors are thought to have mistaken beluga whales for mermaids because of their human-like knees.